Hi, today I'm going to talk about event registrations and I'm going to explain how we are going to create a PDF file directly within a Notion database with the help of this event registration form. As you can see, this is an event registration form which has been created inside Notion, and I have added few entries from this particular form onto the responses view. So I'm going to connect this particular database onto a tool and we'll be utilizing that tool to create PDF file for the event registrations that are going to come up on our end. So this is the tool that we're going to use, which is PDF output. PDF output helps you create PDF files on automation directly inside a Notion database. Okay. So once you log in inside PDF output, you will have an option to start creating an automation. Click on new automation and then it will ask you to connect your Notion database. So click on connect Notion and then simply copy the database title which you have on your end. So in my case, it is event registration form. So I will simply copy this title and then I will be connecting this database to my setup screen. So I'll head back, I will click on select pages, I will put the title inside the search pages field, and then I will find the event registration form which will be appearing over here. So click on this and it gets automatically added. Okay. Now if I scroll down, I will find allow access button which I can click and then it will give access to the event registration form. Once I get access to the event registration form, I will be able to produce the PDFs directly within this database itself. So, so now we have the access to the database. So first thing is we need to add a template, okay, to this particular event registration setup. So we can create a template in any of this format. Like we can go with a document, we can upload a Word file, we can even upload a PDF file. In either of these cases, it will be converted to a Google Doc, which we can edit live and create as a PDF file. We can even add a Notion page to the setup as well. So let's say within this responses view, you create an event registration setup. So here is some random text that I've written. So let's say you add some text over here and you create a page over here as a template. That page can also be converted to PDF as well. Okay, so for every record, I can add the same page with a template and I can convert it into a PDF file as well. Okay, but in this scenario, I'm not going to use this option that is adding a Notion page. Rather, I will be adding a template which I'll be using for my setup. So I will just simply search for event registration, which you can see I've already created a template beforehand. So I've got this event registration template set up. I'll click on this and I'll click on connect Notion. Sorry, I'll click on continue and then you will be able to find the event registration template appear over here as a Google document. On the right side, you should be able to see the databases in this drop down. So if I click on this, I am able to see the event registration form which is appearing. So if I click on event registration form, it will load all the properties of the event registration form which I can now use to set up this entire document. Okay. So what I need is the name of the person. So basically I can fill in all these fields one by one. So attendee full name is one particular column which I have. So I can click on copy. I will go over to the document. I can simply paste it. Okay. So make sure you just copy and paste your elements. It will automatically work. Email address, let's say I will copy and I will paste it. Similarly, I have the phone number which I can copy and I can paste it as well. So I can just keep on copying and pasting elements till the very end. So I'm not going to do that. So once all the elements are copied onto your template one by one, you can just go ahead and define few additional settings like the PDF file name. I want to generate by the name of the attendee. Okay, so that I can do that. The PDF file can be attached to the PDF file column that I have. So I have a PDF file column over here where I want to attach the PDFs as well. Okay, so that I can select, and once that is done, you also have an option to upload it onto a Google Drive, which you can do from here. I'm not going to do that. So my setup is already done. So I will simply just click on preview output, and as I click on preview output, it will automatically create me a preview document for the template which I am processing. Okay, so I'll just wait for a few seconds as it is going to process this document, and it will soon create the document as a preview for me. Okay, so you can see it has already processed and it has mapped all these elements and it has generated this PDF. Okay, so I'm happy with the setup. It fetched all these details from the event registration form and it is now creating this document. If you're not happy, just go back, do the process once again, and you should be able to again follow the steps to create the PDF file. So in my case, I'm all good. I'll just click on setup automation. As I click on setup automation, my automation will be activated, which I can use to generate the PDF. You have an option to generate a PDF using a button. This is available to paid users. So what we can do is we can add a button inside this database, and clicking a button, it will generate a PDF file. Okay. So on my end, I will not be able to do that. I will just follow the normal process. But if you want to utilize a button, you can of course upgrade to the paid plan to do that. So now let's click on start over and let me head back, and I should be able to see this automation which is currently under the active status. Now, if I go back to this particular form, if I click on ready to generate, it will automatically convert this particular record and it will convert the same into a PDF file. Okay, so let me remove this previous PDF which was created. So soon I should be able to see a PDF file populate over here as I mark it as ready to generate. So in your case, whenever new entries are coming up, simply mark a record as ready to generate. It will be automatically converted to PDF file and saved inside this database. As it is going to convert, let me showcase a few other things. So you have a lot of templates which are available that you can definitely check out. So go to the template side of things and you will be able to find a lot of templates available. If you want to reach out to me, the best way is to find this contact button at the bottom of the page. Click on this and send me an email right away. I'll be able to assist you with any queries, or you have this chat widget at the bottom of the page which you can click and send me your concerns as well. Okay, so I'm just waiting for this document to be converted to PDF file. It takes a while to create the PDF, but if you're on a paid plan and you're using a button, you can quickly generate a PDF right away and it will work smoothly. Okay, so I'm just waiting for this to process the document and convert to PDF, and then we are good to go. So you can like set up your template any way possible. This automation is flexible to work with any of the templates. You can create invoices, reports, certificates, or any kind of document that you want. It will work flawlessly, and you can see it has already completed as we were discussing. So let me open up both the records, and you can see all the placeholders that we had mapped previously have been replaced with the values. Okay, obviously I didn't map other fields, but you can definitely map and see how the output comes out to be. So that was it from the demonstration point of view. I hope this was helpful to you. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.